Today it's the 20th of March 2023. We have Porintie and Helsinki to Sticks Eve here in Munkkivuori outside close to Munkkivuori here in Helsinki as well, so small in Finland. Well, it's automatic. It was built in 1958 by Kone, and it's only for 2 persons and artistic grams. Probably this was something that they have added some force here originally.
Yeah.
Verse H75. It's very rare because it's only for 2 persons, not 3 persons.
Yeah.
And 8 floors. It will be expected this year, 2023, and let's try to get 3 rides here. We started from the staircase H here, from the last one to the first one. Nobody's coming.
Ja, niissä tiit bara kiva iskutaan, että meidän tein pääsi ponhissi.
No.
Niin.
That's strange.
Yeah.
We've just filmed half of them, and the other half is the Texas DCB and A here.
Yeah.
4 out of 8 filmed now. That's it. Thank you very much.
That's